Hello everyone and welcome to today's drawing tutorial. This time Ty is going to be drawing dusk flowers. So he's taken the prerogative to lay out all the materials he used in this video. They're pretty simple, as one straight ruler, several circular rulers, medium weight drawing paper, 5 colors that blend well together, one 2B pencil, I think that's what it's called, I'm not an artist, an eraser, there's 2 erasers, one pencil sharpener, and a fine point Sharpie. You can probably find all of these in just about any department store. So Ty could not make it today to do the voiceover, so I have to do it, and I am no artist, so I'm sure I'm going to make a bunch of mistakes. But without much further ado, let's get on with the tutorial. Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to draw a large circle about to the left center of the page. It's going to be the basis for the entire drawing, so circles are very important to this. Then you're going to draw a smaller circle inside the larger circle. This time Ty has done it up to the left, so the left side of the circle. That's actually a little wine glass I think he was using. Then you're going to draw vertical and horizontal lines, making a cross through the center of the smaller circle. Those are going to be very important. And after that, you're going to draw diagonal lines in a cross through the center of the smaller circle. And once you do that, I'm pretty sure then you start drawing the spiral arms, but I think that comes later. Nope, that comes right now. Sorry. So you're going to take the outer edge of the stencil you used to draw the bigger circle, and you're going to align the outer edge with one of the lines that you drew through the center of the little circle, and it's going to look like the arms of a galaxy or of a lollipop or something like that. So after filling in the other lines, Ty has added the edges of the petals, and the edge of the petal, the shape is really up to you. You can change it any which way. He's also added a layer of smaller petals on top of the bigger ones. They all radiate out from the center. Right now he's just cleaning up, and then he's going to go on to drawing the other flowers in the picture. Alright, after adding the 2 other flowers, Ty is now ready to ink in the drawing. One tip Ty told me about Sharpies is, regardless of the tip Sharpie you're using, you shouldn't let it rest in one place for too long, otherwise it'll bleed into the paper. As you can see, he's moving pretty fast. So he's using the same ruler. I mean, obviously you want to use the same ruler to get the same line. He's just inking in the parts that you want to see. So there are some lines that aren't going to be in the final drawing, and so he's not going to ink those in. So after erasing all the undesired lines, because they'll just disappear once everything that you want to see has been inked in, I'm pretty sure at this point Ty decided to add a feature that wasn't in the original designs, so he hadn't drawn it in, but he's drawing it now, and he's going to ink it at once. I'm not even sure what it is, but it looks kind of like wood, so it could be like the stem of the flowers, but I don't know. It's really up to whoever's looking at the picture. Alright, it's time for coloring. I'm so excited about this part. So first, Ty puts in a layer of black. That's the base color. He said that if you gotta press hard at the extremity, and then as you get further in the petal, you gotta let up a little bit so that it sort of fades off. And when you add the other color, they blend seamlessly, or as seamlessly as possible. By the way, the colors Ty used were black, purple, plum, pink, and white. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like or drop a comment and let us know how we're doing.